Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Top Class Crochet Ideas. So today's video I am sharing with you beautiful crochet ideas, crochet handmade designs, trending crochet fashion and many more things. This channel is only for inspiration and encouragement people who love crochet. This channel is give you some positive vibes, feel fresh and motivated. In this channel you will see some beautiful crochet ideas like tops, crochet bedsheets, kitchen cover, table runner, crochet dresses, dolls, blankets, frocks, crochet toilet covers, crochet accessories and many more things. Guys, I upload daily new video for inspiring people so you can enjoy everyday new video. So please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any question then comment me. I will reply your comment. So keep watching my video and enjoying my video. So till then, bye bye and thank you.